surfers are always out to catch the perfect wave. The Applied Physics Laboratory is fielding tiny wave cams to study waves breaking at the ocean surface.
Wave breaking is the key term that controls the evolution of waves at the ocean surface. So the wind blows and that makes waves, and then wave breaking is what takes the energy out of the waves.
APL Principal Investigator Jim Thompson is looking for any patterns that may emerge from the seemingly random interaction with wind and water.
We use a variety of platforms. The primary one is right behind me here. These are drifters. We deploy them from the ship and then we let them go freely. They're untethered. They collect all their data on board.
Quantify waves.
Moving beyond measurements, Thompson is attaching electronic eyes to his platforms, to balloons for a bird's eye view of the big picture, and on the surface from the drifters moving along with the waves. Video recorded by small GoPro high-definition cameras. Wave cams.
The real advantage is being able to understand the spatial distribution of these things. So these drifters, you can see, are small. They make a measurement just at a point. But up on the mast of the drifter, we have a GoPro video camera that's running in HD, and that has a very wide field of view. It's a fisheye lens, and that allows us to see the whole ocean surface for several tens of meters surrounding the buoy. And that allows us to see the rest of what's going on. With the GoPro, we can see how big was the wave that just broke, how long was that crest that just broke, how long was there a breaking crest that has foam and has white water, how long was that there, and then we relate it to the turbulence that we measure in the water. A big practical application of this is to understand how many waves and how much wave energy will end up at a coastline, where we can surf on it, where it will cause erosion, where it might be harnessed for energy, all of those applications.
After a successful deployment in the Strait of Juan de Fuca, the APL scientists next take their wave cams 1,200 miles out into the Pacific Ocean in search of new and greater understanding of the forces at work in waves.
Science at work for you. This is APL, the Applied Physics Laboratory at the University of Washington in Seattle.